Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night and a great week, folks. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action, not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 61, NASDAQ up 22, S&P's up 7.5, gold contract flat, 1335.60, silver up 4 cents, $17.94 an ounce, platinum down $3 at $9.88 an ounce. You got light sweet crude up 21 cents, $48.28 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 12 ticks, 126.20. 30-year bond down 23 ticks, 155.06. King dollar up 47 ticks, trading at 91.900. The euro is at 119 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.18 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're at $250.09. On the SPY, that's an all-time high. Volume was 51 million. Yeah, you're going into 103 million, but you're at a higher high. That can get you a higher price. Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials was going after, is going after its high. The high of the Dow, 22,179. The low of that high, which was established on the 8th of August, is 20,057. So you're into it. That's saying that you can more than likely hit it. We hit 22,134 out here today. The composite, NASDAQ composite right now up $22. You are at 64.54. Now the high in the composite is 6 points higher. It's 64.60. If we take a look at the NDX 100, and this is what it's going to be all about tomorrow morning, was about today, is the NDX 100. Why? Because of the big Apple announcement. Now, so what the NDX 100 did is this. Your benchmark is the 27th of July. Now, that's not the high, folks. The high, it went up there and tested that on the September 1st. The reason I'm saying that the benchmark is the 27th, because that's where we had taken out the highs that were established on the 9th of June. We did it with vigor, and then it gave it up in spades. And that's a big number, because the same aspect of how we sold down on the 27th, that's how we sold down on the 9th of June. Bottom line is that this number is going to be a big number to keep your eye on, and this number is only all of like 123 hundredths, no, thousandths of one. That's what we're dealing with right now. Pretty crazy. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here. You pull back, rejected lower price. You did have lighter volume. Bottom line, I don't think this is done on the way down, though. You know, gold had a great run. We went from 12.11 2 months ago up to 13.62. I expect we're going to basically get down somewhere into this 13.20, 13.17 area. Build some cause. I like how it's pulling back. It's pulling back with lighter volume. That's what you need. Bonds. The note and bond market, folks, just want higher price. It's pretty amazing watching this thing shake out. So what the note and bond market had been doing and trying to do for quite some time was take out its June highs. We took those out, and we took those out on the 29th of August, and we took them out with conviction. Conviction is wide price spread, accelerated volume, goes higher, and now what we're doing, we're pulling right back into that whole area. And that's a normal occurrence inside the stock market. They like to break out, go higher. If you pull back in there with lighter volume, which we're doing, that's just the pullback in a market that still wants to go higher. The 10-year yield for the last 6 months, the low is 2.039. That was established last week. That's Yeah, that's the last 6 months. If we go back for the last year, 1.556 was the low, 2.6 is the high. We are right in the middle right now. We're trading at 2.167. So if you do need, you're going to buy a house, you're going to refinance, go do it, folks, because that brings that rate at about 3.65 on a 30-year. Silver, we take a look at the silver market. What do we have with silver? Silver right here is trading at a price point of $17.94. And the silver market's set up a little bit differently than gold. So silver, 1756, I expect we're still going to get down to that level. That's where it overtook, that was the 28th, the same day. That was the August 28th. That's when it went with force. It went again with force on the 5th. Now, what it did, September 5th. What it did here today is that it came into the 5th and it rejected that lower price. Still looks strong. That's the bottom line. Both metals do look strong, and what that's going to be all about, of course, is that can the U.S. dollar do anything? Can it get any action going? Over at Bitcoin out here today, what you had is inside the Bitcoin market, you had Jamie Dimon, J.P. Morgan executive, come out and say that Bitcoin is a fraud. It wasn't going to, end well. That took Bitcoin down from 42.73 to 41.28. Bottom line, we're all going to find out what's going to happen in Bitcoin one of these days, folks. Bottom line is it has been an expansion that's pretty tremendous. There's no two ways about that. We go take a look at the oil market. What we have with oil, oil looks to me, folks, that it's not going to be able to catch this bid. You're up 21 cents today. You're going to have, the API numbers coming out at 4:30 today. We'll have those numbers for you, but right now the way oil's trading, we're at 48.28. It looks like this $50 mark is too far away from it, and 47 to 45 is going to be coming at you once again. What's intriguing about oil, of course, is that you had the dollar get destroyed. Oil still couldn't get the higher price. Now this dollar, I suspect, looks like it's going to do a small bounce. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. We have the Dow Industrials. They closed up 61. NASDAQ up 22. S&P's up 8.5. We are going to be right back.